Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here seeing another tutorial. We're still checking out a software called Synthesia. Synthesia is an advanced AI platform used to create videos, mostly product videos aimed at companies or at clients. We have been creating with this software for some videos now. In each of the videos, we have been checking out different functionalities of the software. So if you haven't checked out the previous videos, I really invite you to go to the channel, subscribe and check them out so you can get up to speed and see what this software is about and what we're talking about. Today we're gonna check out another functionality that the software has. In one of the previous videos, we created a presentation using a PowerPoint presentation. You're seeing on screen right now that option that says import PowerPoint. You can turn the slides into videos. You can add avatars to narrate what's happening in the slides. Once again, that video is in the channel for you to check out. In this video, we're gonna check out another functionality regarding files. We're gonna create a video using a PDF. It's a really simple process that you can do with this software. We are using one of the paid plans. If you want to use the paid plans as well, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you to use. So without further ado, I'm gonna make my face disappear so you can see my screen better, and I'll see you guys in the end. So this is Synthesia homepage. As always, these are some of the projects that we've been working on previous videos. This is the one that we created with the PowerPoint slide that I was telling you just some seconds ago. This is an avatar that we created with our face, with my face specifically. This is a training video that we created to showcase some other functionalities of the software. But today we're gonna be using this AI video assistant that says turn files and links into video. If we click on it, we can drag or upload a file. I'm gonna use once again a file that is a manual. It's a manual for the microphone that I'm using, the Yeti Blue. We used a similar manual to create the video with the PowerPoint slides, but it was a different model of the microphone. Once you've uploaded the file, you can select from a bunch of different templates. These are the templates that are in Synthesia's library. Right now, the one that is selected is Stylish Corporate, and it's in landscape mode. This one right here that you're seeing on screen. And right here, you can pick out the avatar that looks the best for you, if you want a man or a woman, and the style that you want. I'm gonna pick this new one that is new, called Futuristic Product Demo. I'm gonna click on Use Template. And at the bottom, you can choose how long the video is going to be. You can pick from 30 seconds up to 5 minutes. I'm gonna just leave it on 1 minute, and you can further specify different parts of the video. You can specify the objective of the video. Let's say to train new workers of Yeti. You can add the audience. The audience would be employees of Yeti. You can add the language. I'm gonna leave it in English. You can add a speaker and a tone of the video. The speaker can be a sound engineer. And you can add a tone. This could be friendly, this could be professional, this could be witty. I'm just gonna leave it on friendly. And before we create the outline, I wanna showcase that you can also input a URL. You can write a prompt for the AI to create the video, or you could input a script into the software as well. If we click on create outline, the software is gonna take a couple of seconds to prepare the outline. So in just a couple of seconds, the software created these 3 different chapters. The first one is called Unboxing and Setting Up Your Yeti X. If we click on this drop-down menu, we have the parts of the chapter, what will be discussed in this chapter. The second one is exploring the multifunction smart knob, and it also has some descriptions as well. And the last one is customizing your sound with Blue Voice and G-Hub. And if you click on the drop-down menu, once again, you have the description of the chapter as well. You can add chapters if you want more of this, or you can leave it as it is, as the way the AI created. Once everything's done, you can click on create video, and then the software is gonna divide the chapters into scenes, and it's gonna automatically create the script for the video. In any part of the process, you can replace the layout of the video if you are not liking the way that it is looking. And if you click right here on edit outline, you go back to the chapters part for you to edit or add chapters if you want it. If you click back to video, we're taken once again to the scenes with the script. And if we click on generate video, we can add whichever name that we want. I like the one that the software created, Mastering Your Yeti X Microphone, a sound engineer's guide. We have a little description on the bottom that says learn how to set up and optimize your Yeti X microphone for professional streaming and recording with this friendly guide from a sound engineer. We can also add captions if we want it. I'm gonna turn this on, and then we just click on generate. So after some minutes, the software has created this 1-minute video. Let's check it out.
Ever wondered how to unlock the full potential of your Yeti X microphone? Let's dive into the essentials of setting it up for optimal performance. From connecting to your computer to ensuring it's your default audio device, we've got you covered. The multi-function smart knob is your gateway to real-time control. Adjust microphone gain, headphone volume, and blend settings effortlessly. Visualize your voice levels with the 11-segment LED meter for a tailored audio experience. Switching between modes is a breeze. Whether you're podcasting or streaming, the smart knob adapts to your needs, ensuring your audio is always on point. It's like having a sound engineer at your fingertips. Enhance your voice with Bluevo, CE's suite of real-time audio effects. Personalize your LED lighting to match your streaming aesthetic. Dive into the Blue Sherpa app and G-Hub for deeper control and customization.
As you see, the presentation is really professional looking. The avatar moves his mouth very natural. The way that he's speaking, the audio looks very real. It synthesized very well some parts of the Yeti manual for potential employees to understand. It is divided in 3 different chapters, as we saw previously. And all in all, is a very professional looking video that we created in a couple of minutes using just a PDF. It is really amazing what the AI is capable of. Another thing that I want to showcase real quick in this video is the bulk personalization tool that Synthesia has. So how this process works is that you can pick any of these templates where it says personalize. You can upload an Excel file with this specific information: name, job title, company name, talent partner name, avatar, and email. And the software can automate the creation of videos using this information. You can create in bulk and automate the process, so you don't have to create one video each time, but the software can create multiple videos in one go. You can do it this way, or you can create a single video instead using different values regarding this information, the name, job title, and the ones that I mentioned previously. Once you have the information, you can click on continue, you can enter the video title, you can enter the video description, and once everything's done, you can just click on generate video. The software is gonna take a couple of minutes to create the video once again, and this will be the video that the software creates.
Hey Santiago! Thank you for booking your first call with us for the employee at company. Here's what you can expect. I'm Partner, who will get to know you better and learn more about your career goals. During the call, we'll explain what we do at company, what the role involves, talk about your experience, and answer any questions you may have. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions before the call. Talk to you soon.
As you see, you could upload an Excel file with all the person's names, all the part that they play in the company, and the software would create automatically all the videos necessary for the purposes of the company. That is pretty much how you turn a PDF file into a video using Synthesia, and how you can automate different processes in the company. This software is really intuitive, really easy to use, really fast as well, and the final videos look really professional, as you saw just some minutes ago. Once again, my name is Santiago. I really hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. If you wanna check out all the other videos, I invite you to go to the channel and subscribe. Once again, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you to use. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next video. We're gonna be talking about more in-depth functionalities of Synthesia. So see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.